A lot of people think going camping for the weekend is just way too hard. Hooking on the trailer, loading it up, unloading it, cleaning it, all that sort of stuff. So we're going to show you some of the tips and tricks that we do that make it worthwhile and easy for us. So let's get to it.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distraction.
Jesse is getting a little bit of prep work done beforehand, like getting the trailer plugged in so we can get the fridge and freezer all nice and cold before we take off.
Hey guys, just wanted to share a few tips and tricks that I use when preloading the camper. Something I like to do is totes or laundry baskets to bring in and out of the house into the trailer, which is really nice because you have a lot of space. You can just throw everything in, and then when you get out to the trailer, you can then get organized.
Right here I have got my baskets that I am loading, so anything that I think of that I might need. Clothes, obviously we needed new tongs, so we've got that started and it will go out in just a bit.
And another nice thing when using laundry baskets is you can leave them by the back door. We leave 2 or 3 just depending on how many we needed to get the trailer loaded. So it's really nice to just grab those baskets, start unloading just as soon as we get the trailer parked. Another thing that's nice to have is a laundry basket just kept right here on the trailer. That laundry basket then goes from the trailer to the house, back to the trailer, and all those clothes that we dirtied can come back out to the trailer and they can stay here till next time. That brings me to my next tip. Just keeping the same clothes in the trailer. Of course, switch it out for the season, have a few pieces that you may want to switch here and there, but for the most part, standard set of camping or weekend attire. Yes, the kicker is getting it back into the trailer. Sometimes it sits by our back door for a little while until I get ambitious enough to come back out into the trailer and put everything away. That goes for towels, dish towels, sheets, our everyday weekend clothes.
One thing we always try to have done before we leave, not last minute like today, is get the hitch put in the truck.
We end up having to move the hitch in and out on a regular basis, so that is something we are doing actually last minute.
When you're getting out for the weekend, don't try to hold to a schedule. Have a plan, but don't have a schedule, because you never know what's going to happen, and if you don't meet everything on your schedule, sometimes that ruins the whole trip for you, because you'll have some preconceived idea of what you're going to be doing.
Hello there.
So where are we off to?
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm having a chai tea.
I've already had my coffee, so
Yeah.
let's go get you a chai tea.
Let's do that, and then we'll go from there.
Okay. All right, Kara has her chai tea, so now the day can start.
The day can start now.
While we're in the coffee shop, I think we figured out what we're going to do, right?
Yeah.
So where are we going to go?
So I think we are going to do the Cathedral Valley.
Yeah.
Road. It's going to take us, sounds like, majority of the day.
Yeah. Today, we're just out. We knew we were going to Capitol Reef. That was our plan. We didn't know what we were doing here. And now, we're out looking at these amazing views. which we wouldn't have done if we had scheduled out, we're going to be doing this, and then this, and then this. We have to get up at this time, and we have to do these things. It's just nice to slow down and just go with the flow. Here, let's do it. Yeah.
One thing to make weekend camping really easy is just to plan simple meals. Tonight I'm making a couscous corn salad. We're throwing some steaks on. We're gonna call it good.
Those are about done.
Ooh, smell-o-vision.
That looks good. The grill good and hot. Now about 4 minutes per side. Get some good grill marks.
Little S&P.
Little S&P, that's all for me. Good to go. Time to check the steak. Oh, yeah. Good grill marks. About 8 minutes total. Should be good to go.
Show you the other side. Good.
Perfect. Awesome. The Weber comes through again.
Of course it does.
Best little grill you can buy.
Like a champ.
Or, sorry, best non-smoking grill you can buy for camping.
What do we got there?
Oh, just maybe a hair overdone. Just about perfect, though.
For some, it needs to go back on for another 10 minutes.
For us, that's
It's
just
perfect.
right. I mean, it still got some good color in it.
So one thing I like to do when we are doing takedown cleanup is basically cleanup. Anything that needs to come down from the master bedroom or bathroom, I bring down, throw it in the laundry basket, and it sits down here by the door. So when we get home, that's another quick thing to do is just grab that basket and take it inside. That way we don't even have to open the top slide.
We good to go, Kara?
Yeah, everything's just right here by the table other than the fridge and maybe a couple of cabinets, but everything else is already pre-packed and ready to go out.
So we just need to haul in the clean basket, the dirty basket, and the food. Then we're done.
Basically, yeah.
Yeah, clean up without having to put out a slide. That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the goal. Thanks guys for catching us this week. Hopefully some of these tips have helped you or will help you in the future. Remember to like and subscribe and also add any comments below that maybe we can add to our weekend quick tips. Thanks again and enjoy your weekend.
Like most of you, green salad's not my favorite thing in the world, but I have found my favorite thing to add to a green salad to make it really tolerable is steak. Better than croutons, better than cheese or sprouts or anything like that. Good old steak. Really brings out the flavor of the lettuce.
And let's face it, you're a man.
Yep. Now put on some blue cheese and it is good to go.